Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add your grandmother to your family members on your Facebook page using your PC. With the latest Facebook update, the process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your profile to enter your personal page. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo or along the left-hand side of your profile page. Click on About to access more details about your profile. Now scroll down or look for the Family and Relationships section. This is where you can manage and display your family connections on Facebook. Click on Family and Relationships to open it. Next, you'll see an option to add family member. Click on this button to start adding your grandmother. A search box will appear. Type in your grandmother's name exactly as it appears on her Facebook profile. When her profile pops up, select it from the list. After selecting her name, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on this menu and scroll through the options until you find grandmother. Select it to define the relationship. Once you've made your selection, double-check to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click the Save button to confirm the changes. Your grandmother will now appear in your family members list on your Facebook profile, and she'll also receive a notification about the update. And that's it. You've successfully added your grandmother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.